Akong vlogging na po. We're in,
You know, she doesn't know where we are.
we're in Toronto.
Yeah, but
Nakita like, subway, pangita ko ng mga subway dati. Wala kinabang panagsaraman.
you're so lost.
Panagsaraman, hiug ko ay. Pero,
It's left side actually.
oh, that way.
Yeah. Come on, let's go. See, mother?
Here na. Taga bukid, manggod ni taga bukid. Kaya, sige, asa lang ito. Kaya ikaw, wala. Ah, Dora, dito man to dapita. Oh, ito, remember ka? Dito ta last time. Walang dali ko. Mas easy. Diba? Nami diri sa Union Station kay para sa amuang. We're going for our dual citizenship. Murag asa magbiyahe mo. For our dual citizenship oath taking this afternoon.
This afternoon we have dual citizenship. So on the left side,
Yes. Going here. Dari kabalo na ko. Walang pa na to dito. Okay.
Hello.
Pay attention sa mga
Yang job ni Kuya Jun ko ano? Clean sa train. Mo na yung job?
Queen's Park Station.
Yeah, I think so. What? Is this a vlog? When you do vlogs, it's usually this way, but they're not that way.
Haggard na no. Haggard naman kay ko. Naundong.
Arriving at
That's a picture.
Museum.
Camera.
Museum
So
Station.
Clear and
Doors will open on the left.
nice and clear. Next pa, uy. Museum pa man. Wala na ko na on. The traveler. Traveler ka daw. Big dog. Hindi ko ayaw ng dog. The traveler ka daw. On anami. Asa naman ka daw?
I don't know, we're somewhere in St. George.
Somewhere in.
I might get lost.
Ako yung cameraman. Somewhere in St.
You're my
George.
cameraman. This is my vlog, you know.
See? Because you're practicing to be you're practicing na naitigasunod sa mga camera. Ako ang tagasunod sa mga camera. Nice picture. I'm practicing
What's up, guys?
na.
It's your boy Simon here.
Okay, start your.
We're supposed to have our dual citizenship soon, but
We're doing
I'm gonna hang out at the
Old
apartments.
taking?
Yes.
Natawa ko sa yung gagawin.
I should be looking at the camera. Like,
Oh,
I should be looking at it.
Right? Sige na. At least naka-willing na cameraman.
It's your boy Simon here.
Camera
We're in
woman.
Toronto right now.
Okay.
Doing an oath taking for the citizenship.
We're going later, not now. Nice camera.
Greets.
Sana ikaw tigas na sa yung camera. Ako ang imong ano. Tapos, isulti ni mo asa na ta, natas sa residence niya, no? Ano ito?
Wait, what?
Ano pa rin dito?
Our legendary trip to
Residence
Japan.
ni ano, ni Kuya Junjun.
Do you not remember? I remember where it is.
Blur date ako na remember. That's why ko dili ko sure kung St. George to what.
No, but it's still St. George.
Anong ganito? Blur ganito. Pinako dili siya part sa St. George. Okay, ano na ako nito? So, no. Dito na nako siya.
It's that one.
Madani ang life sa buntag sa ano, Toronto di ay it's busy, not crazy so far. But yeah, nasa diri sa apartment ni Kuan or resident ni Kuya Junjun family. Doing online class while traveling. Yun. Nami. We have Canadian citizen, not Canadian actually, it's Filipino citizen, dual citizenship o taking. Tapos karon online class online class multitasking. L'Oreal professional hair color online class, finishing my online class. Jollibee, we're looking for Jollibee.
Tell us.
Mo niya itong nakita, kay mo niya ipakakuhan.
Muna ilang ginaluto mo.
Muna yung
Just hayag ni.
ilang ginaluto.
No, hayag. Kita mi Jollibee, we're looking for Jollibee, but we found it.
Muna ilang ginaluto sa Jollibee.
Yes. The Traveler.
Okay, go back to the maps.
Starting ano na. Okay, remove them. Traveler. Or the Jollibee. Video ko lang tika sa Jollibee doon.
Yeah,
Kompleto
I haven't been
na
here so
daw
long.
yahang.
My trip
Kompleto
here
na
is
daw yahang trip.
complete. Well, not yet. I haven't eaten yet.
He said,
It is not complete yet.
unsatisfied daw yung biyahe.
Yeah.
Hindi siya maka-Jollibee.
Point of being here.
What's the point of being here? Now, iba na ang usapan. Tara, yung Jollibee na gusto ko. Itong buulan. Kasi mo gusto rin ron daw. The burger
Any
steak.
burger steak?
Especially
So
burger
small
steak.
though. Burger steak is so small. It's so expensive. What are you getting? You're not getting anything?
I'm getting something.
You should get some fried chicken so I can have some too. Have some fried chicken on the side. I'm gonna get should take a picture of
Hindi
it.
na siya Hindi na siya mag-zoom.
Too much memory.
Hindi na siya mag-zoom. Where are you though? Say something. Say something like give up on me. I haven't that. Are we in the right place or we're not in the right place? No. Are you lost though? Where are we going?
That's what
Part of adventure. Getting lost. We don't know where we're going. Okay, guys. Oh yeah, okay. We found it. Mangikik po dito na lang.
Ayun.
Dito
Ayun
na,
po din
dito
eh.
na, doon, dito na sa ano.
Go steak.
Sa doon. We're in Union Station. That's Union Station. Balik na kami sa ano. Balik na kami sa bundok. Sa wala. Dong. Where are you going? Balik na ka sa bundok. Balik na ka sa bundok. Balik na siya sa ano. Sa bundok. The travelers. What something to how's your travel? How's your travel?
Pretty good.
Like it? Because of the Jollibee? Like the
That
Jollibee?
was my favorite part.
Because of the Jollibee. That's the exciting part for him. Not the taking.
Yeah. The taking was okay. Now I finally have 2 citizenship, but the Jollibee for
The Jollibee is most interesting for him. Alright. Balik na Mingongin. Bababa na dito. We are the travelers. Nice kayo din, you know? Nice kayo. Diba dong? Ibot yung dagway dong. Dorang kuan dito na pin. Dora dito. Di makita siya.
I'm ready
di
to
siya
go
makita.
home and sleep.
I'll go
I'm
home.
ready to go home and sleep.
You are the...
I don't think you can hear me. Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello.
We're sure there's some promoting go yet. Huh? How do you know I fell asleep? Natunggan kanina.
Our next stop is Bronte Station.